Mungu ni wajabu kwa sababu the people who gave us long lectures about money in churches, about Christians and church leaders being business people, today they are stammering. Today they are staggering. They don't know what to say. They were telling us the other day, people to take political responsibility, people to resign, people to be taken to court. Today they are telling us, no, wait. Let's wait with the investigations. First, let's do audit, professional audit. Gentlemen, my friends, your double speak is so loud and your double standards are so obvious and so glaring that it doesn't matter where we look, they are obvious. From telling us take political responsibility, to telling us people must step aside, to telling us people must be taken to court. Now you are telling us, no, let's do a special audit. Things have really changed. And I want to say, all the investigative agencies are independent institutions. They do not need any guidance, any lectures, or any directions from anybody. They will know what to do. There are those who are looking for this so-called special audit because they are looking for detergents and sanitizers for the laundromats they run. Ndio wanatafuta hii, wanasema unajua hii ndio watafute mahali ya kwenda kutengeneza ile Mwosho Mmoja.